Merry Christmas.
I was not expecting this.
So what inspired the French to get involved in the American cause?
Oui, oui, baguette.
So the French saw an advantage in order to push their main rival out of North America and decided to take advantage of it.
Croissant. Oui, oui.
Was it also because you were still salty from your loss in the 7 Years' War?
Croissant, baguette.
The Battle of Saratoga, a battle that showed the colonists could win the war?
A dit monsieur. C'était le cas. Au carré, j'étais là.
Where did you get that money?
Jean-Pierre Lemont.
You tax your presidents without representation? Isn't that what started our revolution?
Hello and welcome to the Patriotic Kitchen. I'm your host, Who Cares. Today we're gonna make fire cake. What I wanna do first is just take flour and just dump it in there. All very patriot-like. Then what you're gonna do next is take your water, preferably the kind without cholera in it, and just pour it in there. That's probably good. Then you're gonna just mix it. What I recommend, if you're feeling a bit zesty, just put a pinch of salt in there, and just a pinch. Once it looks completely disgusting and is unfit for human consumption, you'll know it's ready for the next step of the fire caking process. What you want to do next is just take like probably like a handful of just gunk and just slap it onto your magic cooking stone, and you just slap it on the, like, I'm sure you get it. So what you want to do next is have some nice candles and put it next to your magic fire cake stone thingy-majigger. That's the technical term for it, copyrighted. I would light it, but during revolutionary times, people were too poor to buy matches. Yep, true fact, yeah. And in an hour, this cake should be cooked using Himalayan magic. Yep. And just like that, the stone did its work on the dough, and now we have a nice tasty fire cake. All you have to do is put a nice flag in there, and yeah, now you're eating like a true patriot.